The relocation statute is fairly unique to the state of Washington. Generally, the United States Constitution grants parents the right to move whenever they want to move, essentially. But in Washington, if you are a parent who has a parenting plan or a court order that grants you parenting time, you need to be very aware of the relocation statute. There are very precise timing deadlines for filing and responding that you need to be aware of, and it's absolutely imperative that you contact a skilled and competent attorney who's done relocation cases before so that your rights are preserved. Because specifically, if the other parent is wanting to move with your child or children to another state or even another country, you're going to want to have a skilled and competent attorney guide you through that process so that you know what the possibilities are if there's negotiation or litigation. And you're also going to want to make sure that the parenting plan that you get as a result of parents living in different parts of the country potentially is the best for you and for your child, that maintains consistent and stable connection with your child, understanding that they may be living in another state for a large percentage of the year. You'll need competent legal representation to guide you through this very complex process. The first question that you'll want to figure out when you are facing a relocation case is there a parent with whom the child resides a majority of the time? Is there a primary parent? If the answer is no, meaning both parents have equal parenting time, that means that neither one of those parents will have a presumption in favor of staying or moving. So if you are in that scenario, you're going to, and you want the child to remain where you are, you'll want to focus on proving to the court why it's best for your children. That's the lens through how we view everything in family court, is the best interest of the children. And so to be successful in stopping a move of a child with the other parent, you will really want to focus on community-based information, pediatrician, records, extracurriculars. If your child has been at the same school their entire life, it would be a huge disruption to change that. If you're the parent who is wanting to move and wanting to change things for your children, you're going to want to focus on all the reasons why the move is best for you and for the children, because the statute does contemplate the benefit to the moving parent. You'll want to make sure that you have an attorney who can competently and confidently give that information to the court in a way that's meaningful and that will have a favorable result for your family. If you are a parent and you are anticipating wanting to move, or if you are a parent who has just been notified, even by text message or email, that the other parent is moving, specifically from the school district or the county or even the state, you need to act swiftly. This is the one area of family law where timing is everything, and if you don't follow the timing that's laid out in the statute, you could potentially lose your right to move or even your right to object to the move, which is substantial. So if you are a parent who is contemplating moving, or even a parent who has been told that the other parent is moving, please contact our firm. We have very experienced attorneys who can act swiftly to make sure we preserve your rights during this process.